ba tawag dito? Cuneiform tubercle. Corniculate tubercle. Cuneiform. Corniculate. Cuneiform. Corniculate tubercle. Cuneiform. Corniculate.
Yung isa sir, yung
ito. Tuberculosis. Next is cuneiform arytenoid muscle. Ito pala arytenoid muscle ito. Arytenoid muscle.
Arytenoid muscle.
Arytenoid muscle. In here, arytenoid muscle. Arytenoid muscle. Cricoid cartilage. In here, you can see also the thyroid cartilage and cricoid cartilage. Cricoid cartilage, thyroid cartilage. See? Thyroid. Cricoid cartilage.
Thyroid. Taas.
Cricoid.
Cricoid.
Wala lang. Baba.
Wala lang. Basta T.
Thyroid. So we have, this is your epiglottis. That closes when you swallow. Epiglottis. Epiglottis. This one is your hyoepiglottic ligament. The ligament attached to your epiglottis. Hyo. Ayan, it is inserted also it pala in hyoid bone. Hyoid. Epiglottic ligament. Alam mo na, Rambo yun?
hyoepiglottic.
So, di-discuss yun naman to sa lecture kaya tuturo ko lang yung mga structures. Hyoepiglottic.
Yung ligament.
Ito. Epiglottis, di ba? Yung dark part, yung white part. Hyoepiglottic ligament. You have laryngeal fat pad. This is your laryngeal fat pad.
Laryngeal
Fat pad. Laryngeal fat pad. Okay na, laryngeal fat pad. Okay. Ano lang, 20 na lang. I will mix with the first one dyan.
Huh?
Para sanay na kayo. Hyoid bone. Dito rin yung hyoid bone This is your hyoid bone. Hyoid bone. Hyoid bone. Kaya this one is hyoepiglottic, this is hyoid bone. Hyoid bone. You can study this in your Netter or Clemente. Kasi I will use median thyroid, I cannot find it. Vocal fold. This is your vocal fold. Rambo yun. Vocal fold. Alam mo na, vocal fold? Vocal fold. Palatine tonsils. Remember your anterior pillar, posterior pillar. This is your palatine tonsils. Anterior pillar is palatoglossus. Posterior pillar, palatopharyngeal. Palatopharyngeal. In here, tonsils. Okay. Palatine tonsils can be. This whole thing is your pharyngeal wall. Pharyngeal wall. Rambo yan. Ikaw mo naman text. Pharyngeal wall ito. Wall. Pharyngeal wall. Ito. Didiscuss yun sa lecture kanina. Epiglottis, na-discuss na natin. Cricoid cartilage, alam nyo na. Coniotomy. If you have anaphylactic shock, you cannot breathe because your muscles constrict on the air and the passageway of air. So you need to bypass of air. So we do incision. When you do incision, surgical approach above the cricoid cartilage, we call that coniotomy. Coniotomy. Below the cricoid cartilage is your upper tracheostomy. Upper tracheostomy.
So thyroid, tas
cricoid.
Then upper tracheostomy.
This one, coniotomy, surgical approach when you do incision here. In here, upper tracheostomy.
Upper tracheostomy.
Pag ano sir?
Here, coniotomy. Diba, ito yung cricoid mo. Upper ng cricoid, coniotomy. Below ng cricoid,
Upper tracheostomy.
Upper creek.
Yes. Kasi iba hindi mapalpate. Yung kung saan siya.
Pag sa taas,
Iba
coniotomy.
ito yung
Pag sa
trachea.
baba,
Dito.
upper tracheostomy.
Below doon sa cricoid cartilage. Okay na? Coniotomy.